You ever just like yikes. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be ripping the bikes up at Canadian Lakes. I'll insert a clip of, you know, the last time I went there. But I just washed my bike last night. The plastics definitely need some work and stuff, but I mean, she's looking pretty fresh. Not too bad. The motor's looking pretty decent. Just got some of this like corrosion, whatever. But I mean, she's looking good. CR is down there. We're gonna be taking Isaac Sierra up there. Everything's good on the Silverado now, guys. The last dune trip kind of was crappy just because of that rear glass, but we're all good. I have no idea how we're fitting bikes in this thing. Michael, get the crap out of your bed. For any of y'all that are wondering, we run this Klotz R50 and our...
Turn off my bike.
You need to turn your idle down. I typically run, we run 36 to 1, between 36 to 38 to 1 most of the time. We run ours just a little bit rich because it's like, I don't know, I'd rather run rich than too lean. You gotta do it way harder than that.
Yo, look what just happened there.
Alright guys, well, we got these ORVs on from my truck. Gorilla glue and some tape. Call it good. So we'll probably catch you guys around the road. We're probably gonna go hit some McDonald's because we're hungry. And then yeah, we'll get with you guys after that. Boys, we're just doing a quick fuel stop. Mike's gonna spend way too much money on gas probably, but you know what? That's how it goes with trucks, right?
Oh, I was $1 off.
53.36 for Phillip, boys. Let's just roll up to the place. We got Carl here. Carl, what we got going over here?
Putting a lift and level on the trucks.
So Carl's putting a little bit of a lift on his, and then Leo's got his 2014. We're just gonna do a little bit of a leveling kit. So what do we got in here? Ooh, those rear shocks.
Yeah, look at that. That'll solve a lot of problems.
Oh,
now I can
man.
actually tow a trailer.
Yeah. Alright boys, we ran into a little bit of a dilemma. The guys who sent Carl his lift gave him torsion keys for like a 4-wheel drive model. He has the blocks and everything for the rear, but he was looking for like a little circle spacers that go on top of the springs in the front. So we're gonna have to figure something else out. Alright boys, we just made it to the crib.
Oh yeah,
what we got going here? Only the best of the best, boys. Rip it.
Rip it, sponsor us.
Hit us up, Rip it.
I love you.
So we got the Corvette here. Max, you gonna dune this, baby? We're about to take the Corvette into the dunes, boys.
Yeah!
Yeah! Oh! Right into the oncoming traffic. Yeah!
No, it died.
It died again.
Bump it. Yeah, bump it.
Recon gets completely abused.
Start on the golf cart, bro.
Goals are the golf.
Cold start the golf cart.
What if we just rolled it? Hello?
Yeah, lopsided rear back tire.
Max has come for you. Guys, this thing is pretty good out in the dunes, not even gonna lie though.
It's in reserve, so first time I'm using choke in 2 years.
Oh! Fire right up. Randy.
Runner.
Does this thing run?
What?
The golf cart?
Yeah, it runs. It shreds, bro.
You go rip it?
No, the last time I took it down a trail, I popped the back tire.
Oh, you didn't.
It was like 3 years ago, and I was like 12, but
You actually?
yeah, I actually did. And we took it down that trail.
Alright, go. Oh. Yeah. And that's gone, baby.
Woo.
Oh. Woo. Ripper, sponsor us.
Oh.
Rip it. Come on.
Oh, my chest.
Hit us up, rip it.
It's one thing to do Mountain Dew, but
Dang. It's kind of sketchy in the sand. What? I kind of want to take a little bit more air out of my tire.
know. They're just gonna die. Oh my.
What's going on, boys? I don't know. We're back in the rig. We're gonna go get something to grub to eat. This video is kind of falling apart. I don't even know what's going on anymore. Yet. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. What are we doing today?
We're leveling and lifting the Silverado.
We're lifting and leveling this baby. We're gonna show you guys step by step how to do it. Hopefully make it pretty easy. First step we're gonna do is look at what we got first.
Let me get my... Alright, let's just get all this trash out of here.
Alright, so this is a rough country kit. We got inch blocks for the rear.
We got some stickers I'm gonna put on later.
So guys, we got this rear end lifted up. We're planning on putting some jack stands right on the hitch receipt, or the, I don't even know what you want to call that. We're just gonna set her down on there, get all the weight off this rear axle.
All right, boys, taking off our. Oh,
Breaking bars out here.
what did I even say?
What do you even say?
No, what did? Never mind. Anyway, we're loosening the lug nuts and gonna take the damn wheels off.
Oh, that aluminum rim though.
Give it a bounce.
So tip guys.
Power coated. We want to do. We think yellow.
Ooh.
Slide this under your thing so in case it does fall, it doesn't want to kill you.
Well,
No, it still might.
All right, what's the next step?
those are super light. Jesus.
Now we're gonna lower it onto the jack stands.
Yep.
Sander.
Lower.
Please work.
All right.
Excellent.
That actually dropped. Oh my! Look how much it dropped.
What are we doing here?
What we're gonna do is we're gonna just make our lives a little easier. Spray.
So essentially, it's just taking off that, putting a bigger block on top, and then putting longer.
You're gonna need a 7/8. 7/8.
Yep.
For these baby boys. Or maybe they're even different. I don't even know.
We're gonna see the strongest man in the world.
I need a deep.
No chance. If you want snow.
Yeah, well, let's look at this truck in 10 years and see where it's at.
Right.
Really, everyone's like, oh, just take care of it.
Give me the impact. Yeah. Also, I need a 4x6.
Oh.
You guys bleeping the words out?
Yeah.
Demonetized.
Where's that? We need to give her some more power. I need to give her the beans.
Wait, no, you gotta hold the other side. Bro, look
how far it's
It's not even breaking.
What do you say, Leo?
You don't need snap-on.
Yep.
When you got Earthquake XT. Not even XT,
I
Earthquake.
think Huskies are the grand. If I got Pittsburgh, it'd be like $8 grand.
Destroy my... Get the hammer. Get the hammer.
Yeah.
Never seen something ham so
Lift
good.
up on the rear end a little.
You can fit.
It might.
I bet it'd be better.
Yeah, even if it doesn't fit.
Here. You can do voiceover.
Okay, guys.
What?
Yeah, let's do a voiceover. What's going on?